today. New video. This is my cod piece for the Mark IV Iron Man costume, made out of EVA foam. Well, most of the costume is, but not today. We got some new things coming up. Look at here. Oh yeah. New hip pods, fellas. Almost off the press. 16 hours. 16 hours. But they're pretty thick. Oh, which ones look better? Those or those? Those or those? We finished about, I'd say about another 45 minutes. Anyway, thanks for visiting the channel and watching the video. Hopefully you'll subscribe. Check out some other 3D prints, costume builds, and just all around stupidity. Later.